Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at a Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to get real-time positions data. Okay. So I've already done a video related to order book. Okay, so this is kind of a book where the positions will be there. Okay, as you can see, I got some positions and I want to fetch them. Okay, so this positions book helps a lot. Okay, especially tracking purpose, your PNL. Okay, so all of the stuffs which are available you can get with this thing. So entry price and what are the size is there. Okay, all of the things you can try, and these options are available as of right now. Earlier is what it was, some 0.03% was some fees was there. As of right now it has been slashed, so you can check it out. It is 50% off. Okay, so if you don't have an account, just visit my post, which I will give in the link in the description. So you just check it out. So if you just open this stuff, sign up will be there. Okay, so if you don't have an account, just go with the sign up process, and with Aadhaar and PAN card you can open the account. Okay, you can take the help of mobile as well. So if any kind of photo verification or any of the process. Okay, so you just if you're doing in laptop, okay, some help is necessary, so you just get back to your with the help of some of the tokens. You just do it from your mobile, so you can utilize. So if you want to get with the documentation purpose, all you just have to click on Algo Hub. Okay, so API will be there. So here with the help of create API key, if you just click on this one, you will be able to create your API key, and you will get API key, API secret. Just store it somewhere if you are doing for once, and you need to set up 2FA. For that purpose you can watch videos in my channel, which is Profited Web. Okay, so right now we will try to explore some of the stuff. Okay, so you can check two ways. You can you can go with this as a Delta REST client. So if you just get with installation, so you can get started on your local. Okay, so that is how you can do. If you want to explore the API docs, several things it is available, so you can go with this stuff. Okay, so try this stuff, and so many other things are there which you can check it out. Okay, so if you just scroll, okay, and if you try with the GitHub page as well, okay, same of the stuff are available which has in this. Okay, this documentation. Okay, so if you score, some of the things are available, and I must say that say suppose if I get with getting with a position book. Okay, so two kinds are there. One is margin and one is just position. So in position what will get, I just show you. But in this case what happens, we will try to get all of the stuff which is related to API. So in the documentation, whichever things are available, we'll go step by step, each and everything. So all of the things which is basic requirement is there, like getting API key, API secret, which you can follow from the basic videos. Okay, so that is very much necessary. So once you do, everything will be good. Okay, so already we have done with the order book, so you can check it out. And product ID is very much necessary, so you just follow this stuff. Okay, so from ticker we are getting product ID. So product ID is necessary. So whatever the important basic things have been already done, even order placement have been done, so you can check it out. For stop loss, I will definitely gonna do it in my next video. So this will pave the path. Okay, pave the way for other stuff as well. Okay, so you just check it out. So here delta underscore client dot get position product ID. Okay, and if we click on the sample response, it will get me to the API documentation which is already available. Okay, so if you just click on this one, so it will get available to you as in get margin positions, get position. So all of the stuffs are there which you can utilize. As of right now I'm going with the simple stuff, which is get position. Okay, so if I click on this sample response, I will get this stuff. So what are the stuff you can try, and try to get all the stuff. Okay, and if I suppose get margin position, if I try to scroll also, they didn't talked about anything. Okay, but if we get to the GitHub pages, so once we try with this folder, so if we just get this stuff, as you can see, we have been started with our authentication process. Some of the basic stuff is already done by including all the stuff. From this also we can place the order. I mean, the help of request also we can do a lot of stuff. So these are the basic stuff. So they have been done some authentication, getting assets and product. Okay, so from this you can create the orders, all of the stuff. Okay, and live orders, as you know, to check whether our API key, the listed stuff is correct or not. Okay, the IP address, so that is you can utilize. Order book has been done, getting like buyers and sellers, size and order count, all of the stuff. Getting ticker, from this we are getting the product ID as well as the market price. Okay, so get balances you can try, get positions, which I'm trying as of right now. And there is one more thing is that get margin positions. So if you just check it out, there is no they have been not explained. Okay, but it is available. So whichever things are there as an API kit is already there. If it is not available in GitHub, I will definitely gonna do videos and put my code into this post. Okay, so do try and check in the link in the description for the code as well as getting account. Okay, so all we have to do is we have to start with our copy paste stuff. Okay, so I just copy this stuff and get my ID and get started with the code. Okay, so let's do this one. As of right now I'm in this ID and I will paste this stuff. And so here what happens, I already have my credentials from red import stuff. Okay, I like to save this stuff. Let's see. It is not saved in as .py, because if I do, it will show me as uh, in colors. Okay, which is help me to figure it out. Okay, so as you can see, every stuff are there. So order book is definitely not required as of right now this way. I just just go with the product ID. Mark price is good, so we definitely require product ID for sure, and mark price we will just try to track what exactly it is going on. Okay, so product ID we can try to put two stuffs. It is already running from the video which have been done here. I just try to get this stuff and I will change also to get another. Okay, so first we will track this stuff and we have to put this loop and we have to define all of the functions which you can try from your side. Okay, so just try to call in a simple way. So what we can start is we are calling as a positions. Okay, so we can say as a position or position. Okay, we can set the variable as it is and we have to say what I mean be calling the get ticker, so we can say as this. So just put this stuff here itself. Okay, and instead of get underscore ticker, so if you've done some of the basic programming, everything will be smoother. Okay, so if you try at first basic stuff, it will get hard, and then if you go with so things will get ease up. Okay, now what I have to do, I have ready with the product ID. It is very much easy for me. So all I have to say product underscore ID, and Delta Exchange API offers smooth transactions. Okay, you won't get any failure kind of a thing. Okay, it is a smooth once you are in right track. The main important thing, your credentials should be set, and you should have a proper workaround. Okay, you need to understand all of the important stuff is getting the product ID and all of the stuff. It will be easy to do. Okay, so we call this stuff. Now we'll say print position, and in this I will get only two steps. I will get an entry price and I will get a size. Okay, so let me show you. I mean, why I believe these two numbers, this two JSON stuff, and this two element will be helpful to get a lot of stuff which we can do as per the analysis part, as per tracking stuff. Okay, so all of this thing can be analyzed. I hope I called the position. It's taking its time. Let's see what I get. Okay, so I'm getting this stuff. I need to understand. Okay, so I think earlier when this price is what it was running, okay, so positions were there. So 6,000 I have trailed, and I got hit. So we just booked some few of the profits, 50% profits, and we then went for 11 4,000. Okay, so some of the selections I have a proper control while doing algorithmic trading, so it is important. And there is a lot of stuffs. I think we need to talk. Even I think there is a process. I was watching a video of a Jane Street. They are talking about as a machine learning process and a quant trading and programming stuff. And in the recent news, they came about how they have been manipulated the market. Some kind of a like they used to like manipulate the prices and all. So I try to discuss, okay, because in this video they are like talking about the developer machine learning, and at the right time there is some manipulatives are there. So you can just watch the news, you will get some learning. You can like if you just YouTube their videos, you will get to know they are hiring the developer and something is going in another steps and all. Okay, so you need to understand the basic part as an algo trader. If you are going, there is need to be some part should be understanding. It should be not like that you have been like coded some stuff and you just placing the order without any proper analysis or without any like your own calculation, and don't have sense proper like what you are exactly doing. Okay, so it should not be like some too much fantasy. Okay, the thing is we can fantasize so many other stuff. Okay, but it's need to be like you need to understand there are buyers and sellers are there in the market, and you need to like there are institutional buyers and sellers are there. Okay, so you need to understand their perspective and you need to trade according to that. You as a quant trader have an edge, but still you will be called as an like retail trader itself. Okay, so you need to understand that perspective, and we are moving from a manual to automatic. This is the process where exactly helps you a lot. Okay, especially analysis part. Okay, you will learn what to do, what kind of a buy I do, what kind of a sell I do, which stock I pick. So I think this will be very much helpful. So if you understand well, like once you do, and it will be like forever. Okay, you don't have to do too much hard work. It will tracking each and everything. So like previous people's as like traders are there, Rakesh Junjunwala, Radhakrishna Damani. Okay, so many other big traders are there, bull traders are there. So used to do all of the stuff by themselves, and they have a team. Okay, and you as a retail trader, I must say you have an algo. Okay, so you should take an advantage of this thing. Try to learn Python. Okay, so instead of like getting in a third party application without any understanding, just placing the orders won't help. Okay, so try to analyze from your side and try to see. Okay, right now two things which we got. Okay, so I've been sold it, so it's a negative order. Okay, and this value which I got as an entry price, it's an like string. So what are the conversion we can say? We can call the entry price. Okay, and in this entry price what we can do, we try to put this as an float. Okay, so which is required, so then only we can round this stuff. So it is important, and in this float when I am calling, one more stuff is there, I have to round this stuff. Okay, so at least the value should be tried to stay. So if we are checking the order book as well, there is like two digits of are there, they are good. Okay, if you put it as in this two digits, so you don't have to call so many functions. Okay, so basics understanding is very much necessary once you are running algo, and once you will get the practice, several things will get easy and fall up to you. Okay, so if we just get with the price, so what we can say as an entry price. Okay, and this will be very much helpful for our calculation of a PNL. You just round this stuff and it will be able to do all the stuff. Okay, so we got our this entry price, and as pay the way I'm talking about, so I call the size as well. Okay, so I will say size, and I'll try to put same as it is whatever. So position of entry price will be there, so I have to call the size. So these two things will helps me a lot. Okay, back testing. Okay, getting PNL part. Okay, so all of the stuff will be smooth. Okay, so if I say entry price, so this will be there, entry underscore price, and I have to say size. Okay, if I say this stuff, what I get. So earlier, I think when I was like printing this stuff, so it was taking time because I think it was unable to find the product ID which have been given in the position book. So it returned some of the values which I think should be given as error, but it gave me 70 position as a 0 and size as 0. But right now I'm perfect. I got a 60 quantity of this one running and it is in sell side. Okay, so I can understand from this. So if I say size, if I am printing this stuff, I can put a condition. Okay, so if I talk about whether it is in buy or sell or something like that, say if I have buy size, okay, so if the condition is buy, so what it should be there, like buy size should be greater, okay, and if it is sell, because it is sell, I need to check. So what cell I got, so it should be true, and if it is true, okay, what it should be. Okay, so that is what I'm looking for. So if it is like true, I can say that is a cell. So I can like in our order placement, what other things are required? Product ID is required. Okay, size is required, and whether you want to go with which side. So the size side, so this is things are required, and you have to go with the market order limit price. And if it is stop order, you require some stop price. So stop price calculation can be done from this, okay, from entry price and whichever the things you want to go. Okay, so all of the stuff with the product ID and all of the stuff, we are good to go. Okay, so just we'll set this stuff. Okay, and size greater than 0. Okay, so I've been placed these two. So I won't get proper. So you can just take it in variable also. So in that also it will get you boolean. Okay, if it is true statement, means it is in a cell, and if it is by greater than 0, so that is how you can identify. Okay, so that is how you can say two stuffs are enough, okay, to like get all the stuff. But still I will do for upcoming videos for other stuff. I will like go with the stop loss order. Okay, but whatever you want to do, I must say that you should ready with your API key. Okay, for that just have an account, and already the price has been decreased. And I'm going with Delta Exchange because it is registered with the FIU. Okay, so which is great, and it is in like following rules and regulations, and INR settlement is good, so go with it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.